Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to full screen in Chrome and what's the corresponding shortcut for it. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Chrome and as we can see we are currently not in full screen. To activate full screen we have two options. The first one is in the menu. If we click on the three dots at the top right and select this icon, then we see that the full screen is activated in Chrome. In the message we also saw the second option because I can leave the full screen again with the shortcut F11. So I can quickly switch full screen on and off with F11. However, if I'm in full screen in Chrome, I also have a second option to exit it by simply moving the mouse to the top of the screen and click on this little X. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.